kami yung magde-decide. And nakagawa na kami ng decision.
Kayo mag-decide daw? Wow.
Ang tagal na kasi nag-decide.
No, we had a decision when you went.
Yeah, but hindi.
Before pa yun. Bago pa kami sa ita. Sila biglang pinag-decide.
Ikaw. Ulan.
Dahil?
Paglabas diba namin, tulis.
What's up, eh? Because of?
Hindi, pinakinggan kasi, honestly, ito pinakinggan, kasi it's between the two of you na lang, diba? Honestly, kami talaga, inaano namin na kaya nyo lahat. But if, to be honest, if we were to choose, kanina, would go for like my age, they would go for it. Pero ano tawag dito?
Saka pinakinggan ang kung capability.
Hindi, oo. Hindi rin yun eh. Kasi lahat, alam mo yun, lahat naman sila kaya na yun eh. And hindi na siya, umabot ng ganito, hindi na rin siya question of skills eh. Hindi rin siya skills. I mean, oo, pero, alam mo yun, yung decision pa lang na to, diba, nag-matter yung willingness, alam mo yun, yung ganun. So, di ba pinakinggan namin yung reasons nyo? And, syempre, importante yun, di ba? Kasi yun yung drive mo, yung motivation mo, dun manggagaling. And yung, like, ewan ko baka na ka lang, the way I saw it, or see it, yung sa'yo, I know it's both personal, yung sa'yo kasi it's more about, diba, how you would want to, basically, nire-represent mo yung global, hindi global, hindi sinabi, diba?
I said that's one of the parts. Yeah.
Yung kay Bodhi kasi, sinabi mo, diba, parang, alam, di ka tayong magkakausap nun, yung tungkol sa, kasi personally, malaking experience siya sa'yo. Napaka-meaningful, malaki. And second, yung about, personally din, yung taking risk, yung, yun nga, malaking bagay yun sa'yo. Alam ko na, naiintindihan ko yung part na yun, yung tungkol doon, kasi di pa tayo kayo magkapareho, sabi nung pili tayong laban. Anong sinabi ko dito? Yung tungkol doon, yun nga, hindi rin na siya question of skills eh. Yun nga, it's about, yun nga, tinanong parang, diba, the last time, yung task, the last time. Hypothetically, iniisip lang na, hypothetical lang, diba, yeah, alam mo yun, kung i-weigh mo lang, kailangan mo nang ganyan. Pag nag-fail ka, nakita na, or sa'yo ikaw, pag nag-fail ka, hindi na di-defeat yung purpose mo. Kasi it's part of it. Yun nga, sa pag-take ng risk nga. Diba? Parang ganun. So, alam namin, tinatrust namin, na mag-fail ka or hindi, syempre, obviously, pag hindi ka nag-fail, may meaning yun, diba? Pag nag-fail ka, alam mo yun, malaki yung meaning pa rin for you. Malaki pa rin yung experience for you. Alam mo yun? Aside from, alam namin na ma-handle mo siya. Pero it's not just because we know you can handle it. It's because we know na hypothetically, pag nag-fail ka, malaking bagay yung matututunan mo from it. Diba? Yun nga yun eh. Pag-take ng risk. Alam mo yun? So, tama ba ako?
That we voted for each other, diba? And I voted as well for him because of that reason. As you said, that was my point. Pero yung rason niya at rason ko yung narinig niya sa akin, we didn't know the whole reason. Because sinabi ko kanina is, I'm here because I took the risk and gave my whole life in Switzerland. Everything.
Yeah.
And sa akin, etong is part of what I gave up. And that's a lot. My friends, my family, my whole career, lahat. So it's not representing global or all this. That's a part of what I gave up. But sa akin ko, that's a stone on my road. Kung madadapa ako, that means maybe it was not a good choice. You know what I mean? But I learned something from it. Or maybe kung madadapa ako, sasabihin, I need to do more for it to go through what I want or need to figure it out. But that's my rason. That's my biggest fear. So sinabi ko nga, both has reason na talaga, he has reasons, I have reasons, and it won't come to an end, kahit ano. And even though, for example, kung sasabihin ninyo, dahil si Kuya na decide that you decided, I find it unfair, because we had a decision already. Honestly.
Yun nga. Tsaka, syempre, wala naman kaming gusto, diba? Alam mo yun. Pero kailangan mo lang inuhin na, yun nga, i-ano mo na yung worst na mangyari, diba? Kailangan mo na i-consider.
Sino ba din-decide mo? Sila?
Pumasok ko sa confession room.
Kaya din namin siya inano is, parang nga, whatever the outcome will be, malaki yung opportunity sa kanya, and malaki yung experience sa kanya.